You had some great ideas. Thank you for sharing your proven method of bridging the gap between intention and achievement. Now, the internet is full of ideas for aligning our values, daily practices, designing your environment, and all the rest of it. And I'm sure your intention is to follow through, right? It's not your fault. We can share all the tips and tricks to succeed, but I just think it's more than a formulaic strategy. The disillusionment comes when we've learned all the theory and implemented all the pieces, and yet haven't experienced the transformation we seek. So, what's my strategy for creating that transformation? I think it comes down to who we are. That is the intention gap. We haven't built the part of ourselves that will implement strategies for this specific situation, though we might have for others. As a hospital chaplain, I was often called during very difficult situations, whether it was a devastating diagnosis or family conflicts or death. And I learned to be completely present and supportive. I built that part of myself that could handle the intense emotions, holding others' hearts in my hand while helping them to navigate impossible situations. Yet I hadn't developed that capacity to navigate the Twinkie or Oreo aisle at the grocery store. So how ridiculous is that? This intention gap is where our dreams and aspirations go to die. Who we are is the bridge. So where have you already built that bridge in your life? Maybe it came to you naturally, or you worked really hard to develop it. The thing is, if you've built it in one area, you can build it elsewhere. And next week, we'll explore some very practical ways to do that. All the best.